In this video, we will see why would we use a context filter in Tableau. Rather than using a simple dimension filter or a data source filter, why would we use a context filter in Tableau? And one of the application we are going to see in this video. For that, we will be trying to find answer for the below question. That is, find the top 10 subcategory based on sales achieved which belongs to furniture category. So we have to find top 10 subcategory based on sales, and all the subcategory should belongs to the furniture category. That is, each of the top 10 should be belonging to the furniture category. So for that, we'll first create a bar chart which is showing the total sales based on subcategory. Now let me sort that based on sum of sales starting from descending to ascending. So fonts are contributing to the maximum sales and it is continuing till the lowest value. Now let me filter the data based on subcategory. That is, we are going to find the top 10 subcategory based on sum of sales. So this is correct. So I'm going to apply it. Let me switch the row and column so that it look little better. Yeah. So now we can see that we have top 10 subcategory which is contributing towards the maximum sales. So now it is also given that all the subcategory which are belonging to the furniture category only should come in the result. So I'm going to filter the result based on one more dimension filter, that is category, and we want only furniture, and I'm going to apply this. If I click on apply, now we'll be able to see that the result will be reducing. So why this is happening? Because so in Tableau we should be careful about the operation precedence. Now we are only getting chair, table and bookcase which belongs to the furniture subcategory, and only giving the results from the top 10 we found earlier. That is, it is initially filtering it based on the top 10. So that happened first, then that result is getting filtered. So only category furniture which is present in the top 10 will be seeing in the result. That is, only chair, table and bookcase we can see in the result. But we want our result in such a way that all the 10 subcategory should be belonging to the furniture category. So what we have to do here is, initially we have to understand the operation precedence in Tableau. So I will tell that once. So it start like initially extract filtering will happen, then data source filtering, then followed by data source filtering, context filtering will happen. So after context filtering, operations like sets, conditional filters, then top and then fixed LOD, everything happens between context filter and dimension filter. So here we are using two dimension filter. So what happens is, top n happens before the dimension filter. So initially the top 10 is calculated, then the result is getting filtered based on the two dimension filters we are choosing here. That is subcategory, category furniture. So what we have to do here is, before telling that, let me complete the operation precedence. So followed by dimension filter, it will take operations like include, exclude, LOD, and data blending operation will happen after the dimension filtering. Then followed by this operation, measure filtering will happen, followed by Tableau calculation filters finally, and operations like trend line and reference line will be plotted after all this sort of filtering. So here what we have to do is, we have to convert this category filter into a context filter such that the context filtering happens before the top n filter. So in that case, we will get top 10 from the furniture category. So we'll click on the drop down in the filter menu for category, then click on add to context. Now here we are getting only 4 because in the actual sample superstore table we only have 4 subcategories which are belonging to the category furniture. In order to understand this better, let me change the dimension. We'll use product name instead of subcategory, so that it will be easy for us to understand. Now what I will do is, I will remove the context filter, remove from context. Then instead of this subcategory, we'll use the product name, add all members, and we'll sort it based on descending order of sales. Then instead of this top 10 subcategory, we'll put the product name, then top by 10, apply. Okay, now here we can see that the exact same thing happened because these two are dimension filters, and here since these two are dimension filter, we only have one product. So let me change the category filter to context filter, and we'll get 10 products which are from the furniture category. This is one of the application of context filter that we normally use, and there are many more applications that we will see in another videos. Thank you.